The simulator you can see behind me, the University of Leeds driving simulator, is a facility we've created here at the university to allow us to undertake research into driver behaviour and road safety in a very controlled environment. We've worked with a number of suppliers in the simulation industry to create a facility that's relatively unique in terms of its flexibility. The large motion system that you can see, which is supporting the simulator, allows us to create the forces of driving, the inertia characteristics of braking, accelerating, cornering, road roughness, those sorts of aspects. The large white dome on top encapsulates a Jaguar S-type vehicle cab, which is fully functional. So all of the dashboard instrumentation and the feel of the car is just like the real vehicle. And then surrounding you on the inside is a more or less a 360-degree field of view vision of the driving environment itself. And one of the unique aspects we've developed recently is through the stereo goggles that drivers wear, is to get a real 3D vision of that driving world. So it's a really immersive, interactive visual environment for drivers to find themselves in. The sim gives us a very controlled environment. It enables us to be able to manipulate characteristics of the drive, the roadway, the conditions, the behaviour of the traffic. It's a situation really that allows us to do virtual prototyping and to look at work which may be ethically too complex to do in real life. Maybe if we were looking at impairment or those sorts of issues to do with driving, or maybe it's logistically too complex to do in real life. Maybe if we're looking at new road schemes or new designs of the vehicle itself. So really virtual prototyping and trying things out, new ideas to improve safety would be the main focus of the simulator. Well, one of the advantages of the simulator is the fact that we created it, and so we have an intimate knowledge of how it functions. We can apply it in lots of different areas. Those tend to be on collaborative projects with both public and private sector clients. Public work tends to be at government level, tackling big issues such as maybe fuel efficient driving, impairment, distraction, road design, road infrastructure, that sort of thing, and maybe giving empirical evidence to support legislation for those topics. Whereas our private work tends to be more focused on the individual driver and his or her relationship with the car itself. So that might be dashboard designs, or maybe supporting in-vehicle systems such as forward collision warning devices or lane keeping systems warning a driver of impending hazards. And maybe going on towards more futuristic concepts such as full vehicle automation. So it gives us a real flexibility to look at lots of different work because we have that ability to manipulate the simulator to the specific research needs of the project.